What's going on YouTube? So today I got here this Spigen iPhone XX 6.5 XX Max case. It's a bumper case with a tempered glass in the back. So with this is, you can order this right off Amazon. I'm gonna link you guys in a little bit. This is the Spigen. This is a black edition. So I'm gonna unbox it for the first time for you guys and tell you what I think about it. So when it came kind of broken or like squished, so the boxing is kind of terrible. And then inside, you just get the case inside a bag. There's nothing inside the box itself. So in the case, you'll get some wipes. Let's dump it out and see actually. So you'll get a wipe, you get some stickers to remove your dust, and then one cloth to wipe the actual screen itself before you lay down the screen protector itself. So the case itself comes with a plastic seal. Before you use it, you have to peel it off. It comes with a rubbery texture. It has the power button on one side and the volume rocker on the other, along with your vibrate switch and a slot broken out for your camera. Your camera should be flushed inside the case because it is thick enough. At the bottom you have your two speaker ports and then your lightning port cable. There also at the bottom, you guys look closely, there is two extra slots down here. I'm not exactly sure what these are for, but there's two open slots at the bottom. In the case, they also comes with a screen protector with a black seal, so once you lay it on, it should look flush with your phone. Install it on my phone and show you guys how it looks. So on the case, on the bumper itself, it's going to be 360 protection. So you're going to have the back covered along with the front. Once we put in the phone, we're going to lay the screen protector right on top. At the bottom, we have the two speaker ports and the lightning bolt connector. So I'm going to install this today right now for you guys to let you guys see. So laying down the phone, you'll see that the cutout for the bottom speaker ports are not symmetrical. One side will have more ports that are supposed to be meant to be open. The other side has only like about 4 ports, but it's open all the way to the very end. So this is the kind of, to me, I think it's a design flaw. Either that or they left it open for the antenna. It is kind of hard. You guys kind of push it in there, but once it gets flush, it'll pop right in. Looking around, it is flush, but you are gonna have an extra little side hang from the speaker that shouldn't be there, from what I believe. The camera is flush with the back. If you guys look at the very back, it's flush. So if you did drop it, it wouldn't scratch your camera, it wouldn't break your lens. And I'm not exactly sure on why there is two separate openings at the very bottom for, but I guess if you guys are wanting to hang your phone on a strap, you guys can stick a strap in there. But there is a screen protector. I'm going to attempt to try to peel this off so that you guys see the actual rose gold. Getting it off, it is kind of hard, so once you guys are able to get it peeled up, you'll see the nice layout of your phone. So I'm going to start to install the screen protector right on top. I'm going to make sure to check there's no dust. You're going to have to wipe it clean and then use the stickers to remove any excess dust on top. Make sure you guys use only the sticker only if you guys see light dust that's still on the screen. You guys don't want any particles left under there because it's going to produce air bubbles on the screen itself. Make sure this is the back, so once you guys peel off the back, you guys are going to have the adhesive back there. Make sure not to touch that portion. You guys are going to try to apply this directly onto the screen itself. Once you guys drop the screen, you guys want to put pressure right in the middle and push the air bubbles out towards the sides after you guys get it. and just let it kind of adhere for itself, and then you guys are going to try to push out the extra air bubbles. So comparing, putting this on for the first time, it did go on crooked. So if that's were to happen to you guys, make sure you guys pull it off. This case is kind of hard to put it on, to be honest. I've done a lot of cases here and there, and this is one of the harder cases. Usually they give you some kind of thing to lay down on your phone so your screen does align straight. So if you guys are trying to do this and you guys have shaky hands, it kind of is a little hard to install it yourself. So this case is hard to put on. Guys, but once you guys are able to get it on, it is a 360 coverage. So it is a good case itself. It feels very firm and nice to the grip. You do have texture to it, so you will be able to hold your phone in and not drop it. There is like a tackiness to the edge, so you can actually pin up the phone if you need to, and then from there it feels like it's not a bad case itself. It looks pretty nice. If you guys were to have the iPhone XX Max, I recommend you guys get this case. It is full 360 coverage. The camera is flush inside, so even if you drop it, it won't break. The only thing that I'm not liking about the case is the bottom cutout. It is wider than what it should be. So other than that, it is a good case itself, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.